Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Najdorf. Let's try with E5 here and this. Right. If I play G5 for H5, is that crazy? I'll get done over knight G3 and stuff. Let's just try and play normally for a moment. Just castle. Rook C8, knight A5 to C4, that sort of thing. Some sort of normal plan. Without going completely mad. So knight A5 to C4. Alright, maybe yeah, that C4 looks. I don't want to get my knight trapped. Can I reroute it here? Has he got C5? Oh, it just takes the pawn. Nope, okay, I've just blundered a pawn. I protected it now. Oh! Tanks. H7, knight F5. Bishop F6, bishop E4. Looks pretty terminal. Yeah, I'd imagine that's terminal. Instead, let's try and avoid that. Can I get to play knight D7 and C5 and tell the towel? Trying to defend G7. It's a very fast-paced game, actually. This, and he seems to know what he's doing. Unfortunately, can I play Rook E5 and double the rooks? Or not? Or here? Now, Queen D7. Yeah, I don't know. Am I going to get any play here? Maybe knight H7 or knight D7 to E5. Knight D7 to E5 actually. Let's do this. We can get knight to E5. Right, can you try and use that H file? Doesn't seem so bad at the moment. Using H file now. Takes knight F3 check, wins the queen actually. Little trap. if I try and encourage that, knight f3 for queen d4. Let's pin that. He's got takes and then no, knight f3 again. Okay, knight f3 here. Useful resource. Taking the queen.
Check. Check.
Just take on e4 before knight f6 happens. Check here. Check. There's rook h4. So I think this is good news, basically. Good news days. Good news. Sun is out. Is it? Not entirely sure actually. That rook takes e4. Is that better? That leaves the rook on h4. I think that might be safer, because then there's king h7 without this check business all the time. I think it's king's
check.
Bg2. It's king's in trouble.
Check. Checkmate.
Yeah, just tactical after that, wasn't it? It's just created a few weaknesses. A few too many weaknesses. Let me hijack the H file. I think this was sound. I mean, not b4. I think you can just take. But he didn't play that. He played this. Now this. Engine likes that. If I take, I think I'm just getting done over. Here, knight h5. In fact, bishop e4. That's what I thought. I thought I was getting done over, mate and free. This reminds me of another game I've had recently where someone sacked and I kind of tried to ignore it and just played on as if nothing had happened, and that was successful recently.
Checkmate.
Oh, I keep pressing the wrong button. Sorry, I don't know what it is. I have got a gaming mouse here now, and I keep accidentally pressing the wrong button. Let's just go back. I have to be a bit more careful. Basically, I'm just waiting for him to weaken himself, which he did with the H file. I know it's not very creative. It's like Queen e3. Yeah, I think my position's in its last legs, objectively, until then. So Queen e3 is better. Now what is he threatening? So I'll do this. Oh, rook e6. Okay, okay. I believe it. I believe it.
Check, check.
One thing I just wanted to check out was this.
Check.
This, if I play here, check. Or check here.
Check.
Oh, just take the rook. Alright. Yeah, that's okay as well. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.